Hey everyone, welcome back. This is my solution for We Rest Upon a Single Hope for the pointer overflow CTF. So we are given a message here that says, I am Vinz Clortho, Keymaster of Gozer, Vlogus Zildrohar, Lord of the Saboya. Are you the gatekeeper? Are you the key master? Okay. So we're given a link. Let's go ahead here, and we're given a simple HTML skeleton here with some probably H1, H2 text, paragraph, and then a submit box with a submit button. If we go ahead and press submit without entering anything, we notice that it adds a key and probably whatever we enter in the box. So let's just enter some stuff here, submit. And okay, so it's submitting it in plain text here. Okay, so let's go ahead and look what's happening behind the scenes. So just go ahead and open your developer tools on Chrome or Firefox or what have you. And if we look in the head here, we've got a script. So let's see what's going on here. So this website stores the script in the header, which is not a good idea in general. So let's take a look at what's happening here. So we have three functions here. One is Gozer that takes in a key. The other is convert. I'm guessing converting. So it's probably it's taking okay. So it's iterating through n, taking the length of s, and we're basically getting a car code at n, converting it to a string, getting the hex, and then pushing the hex to a. Okay, so we're getting some sort of hex here. Now let's take a look at what happens when we submit something. So let's enter in hello, submit. If you saw really quickly, it showed some sort of text that looks like it's showing this. So this is part of an else statement, and if we go to the if, so this is calling, if we look at this button, this button is actually calling, let me inspect, yeah. So, well, let's do the button, sorry. Button. So on click, this is returning Zool, and it's passing in the key.value, which is what we put into this input box. So it looks like it's checking to see if it equals v. Now, so what we can do is this variable v, it's doing some computation here. Now what we can actually do, because this variable v is not part of a function, it's a global variable, we can actually print this out here. So we can do console.log v. If we press enter, it gives us this right here. So what we can do is we can actually copy this, copy the number, we can paste it in here, and if we press submit, there was the flag there, but it was very quick, it kind of went away. So we can go a step further and say, hey, instead of using this submit button, what we can do is we can take this variable v and pass it directly. We can call this function Zool directly in there, but in passing in v, which is the correct key, because if it says, hey, your key matches v, do all of this and then print the flag, which is indicated right here, because we know the flag contains underscores. So what we're going to do is we're going to say Zool parentheses pass in v. Well, actually pass in the key, the actual key, execute it, and there's our flag right there.